Luck is a concept that is often used to describe events or outcomes that appear to happen by chance or without any discernible cause. It is often associated with positive or desirable outcomes, such as winning the lottery or stumbling upon a great opportunity. While science cannot directly explain luck in the sense of attributing specific events to some inherent mystical force, it can shed light on the factors that contribute to the perception of luck and the probability of certain outcomes occurring. Luck can be better understood by examining the interplay of various scientific principles, such as probability theory, statistics, and cognitive biases. Here are a few ways in which science can provide insights into the concept of luck. Probability and statistics. Luck is closely tied to the concept of probability. Probability theory enables us to analyze and predict the likelihood of specific events occurring. Some events are purely random, while others may be influenced by underlying factors. By understanding the probabilities involved in various situations, we can better comprehend the occurrence of seemingly lucky or unlucky events. Cognitive biases. Humans are prone to various cognitive biases, which can influence our perception of luck. For example, confirmation bias can lead us to remember and focus on instances where we were lucky, while disregarding or forgetting unlucky events. Availability heuristic can also contribute to the belief in luck, as vivid or memorable instances of luck tend to stick in our minds more than ordinary or mundane events. Randomness and chance. Many events in the world are inherently random or subject to chance. Quantum mechanics, for instance, reveals that at the fundamental level, certain phenomena are probabilistic in nature. In complex systems, even seemingly small variations or uncertainties can lead to significant differences in outcomes. While science can describe the mechanisms of randomness, it cannot provide explanations for individual lucky events. Preparedness and opportunities. The saying, "Luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity," highlights the role of readiness in experiencing fortunate outcomes. Scientifically, this can be understood as increasing the likelihood of favorable events by being prepared and taking advantage of opportunities. By acquiring knowledge, skills, and resources, individuals can position themselves to recognize and capitalize on fortunate circumstances. In summary, science can provide a framework for understanding luck by examining the underlying factors that contribute to its perception. While it cannot directly explain luck as a supernatural or mystical force, it can shed light on probability, statistics, cognitive biases, and the interplay of various factors that influence the occurrence and interpretation of fortunate or unfortunate events.